Hi guys. It got her all over me. She's trying to bite me. Whitey's over there still eating. Ow! Quit biting me, you old meanie. Here, bite me then. Bite me, bite me, bite me, bite me. Bite me. Bye, Whitey. I'm going to the clinic. That's why I'm sitting out here waiting for the bus. Ow, ow. Now she's biting me. She said, okay, I'll go messing with you. Yeah, go eat their leftover food. That's why you're getting so fat. Silly goose. Bye, kitty. Bye, you guys. I love you very much. Remember, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. And then go to the Father by the Son. There's just no other way. I love you so much. God bless you. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember to be honest and lift one another up. Bye for now.